Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something perfect for those looking to throw the ultimate Fortnite-themed birthday party. If you're a fan of the game or have a young gamer at home, this video game happy birthday cake topper is the best Fortnite cake decoration you can get. Whether it's for kids, adults, boys, or girls, this cake topper will transform any birthday cake into an epic masterpiece. This set comes with a main cake topper that's 15 centimeters in size and includes 7 detailed character toppers that are 2.5 inches tall. These character toppers are vibrant and eye-catching, adding that extra touch of excitement to your celebration. What's more, the set also features a wafer paper badge that is completely edible, giving your cake a special finishing touch. Imagine how your guests will be wowed when they see a cake decorated with some of their favorite gaming characters. The material used for the toppers is durable and eco-friendly, made from sturdy cardstock and safe, food-grade edible wafer paper. This makes it easy to place on the cake and safe for everyone to enjoy. Plus, the decoration is simple to use and reusable, making it a perfect choice for future celebrations too. You won't have to worry about it getting stained by the cake as it remains clean and fresh throughout the party. One of the best things about this topper set is its versatility. Whether you're celebrating a 10th birthday or just want to make any game-themed event extra special, this topper will help set the right mood. It's not just for kids either. Adults who are fans of Fortnite will appreciate the thoughtful touch it adds to the party theme. And the best part? The materials used are recyclable, so you can feel good about using them while keeping your celebrations environmentally friendly. The quality and the fact that it's made locally in the UK adds an extra layer of trust, ensuring you're getting a high-quality product. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to decorate your birthday cake with a Fortnite twist, this video game happy birthday cake topper is the one to get. It's simple, durable, and most importantly, fun. Make sure to check it out and let us know how it worked out for your party. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.